Alright, in this family we cut our own hair. I haven't had anyone else cut my hair in 14 years. I've had a headset on at work. But anyways, my mom is a hairdresser or a beautician. She does nails, masseuse, things like that. And so I've only had her and one of my other brothers my entire life cut my hair. So, cut mine. Cut our oldest son's for a number of years. He's 4, about to turn 5. And this bad boy right here is really difficult to cut, although he's pretty good. As you can hear him, he's getting a little fed up. But wish me luck. Cheese. Chew. All right. First thing, clean up. And I already did a little. But you'll see the before of how much hair he had. But really we're just getting them and blending it in. Seeing if there's any other spots that I missed that didn't blend. You gotta be pretty quick too, because they get fed up quickly. Let me see. I think it looks pretty good. And then you give him whatever you want, so he doesn't fight it. Like the different sizes, and then grab and be quick. What I like to do or think of is I haven't had any schooling, but I've done it enough and I've tried, and it's taken me a long time to cut my hair, especially when you're I do this on my hair. I get a comb and scissors and I cut the top because I'm not just gonna buzz it. I did that when I was younger, like 19, 20 years old, and used the biggest piece so my hair was longer on top, but it was still shorter than I like. Oh, got some hair in his mouth, huh? Okay, there it is, real life. Cute. And then you gotta keep on doing this. But anyways, I try to think of the head as like a grid. Start in the front, start on and cut on one side, and then those shorter pieces I gather with some of the long pieces, and I see which ones I've cut in the length. And then I start in the middle, in the back, and go up, and then kind of down, or easy. And that's how I do it. And then oh, he's got hair in his mouth. We'll be back. All right, hopefully he's done with that. Got those toothbrushes that he's been putting in his mouth away. We got Callie Gale. Hi. We're gonna buzz her hair. Hi. Hi. Saying hi to Sissy. Hi. Hi. Actually, the other kids can be really well. Good distraction. Back of the hair is a little bit of a difficult one. Seems like the two boys have one calic. I actually have been blessed with 2 calics in the back of my hair, to where it's like 2 hurricanes that form it. And creates like a mohawk. See, he's losing it. Here, go get his passy. So my 2 actually in the back 4 come together and make like a mohawk, and so that was terrible. He's done, so we gotta clean it up.
Gotta clean it up.
Get out of here. It's not a dance show, it's a haircut video.
Show.
It's a haircut video.
Yeah.
She just wants to be on screen all the time.
Yeah, I like being on screen.
I got it, girl. So, what I like to do next is just go around, make sure that it all goes, and I use something that I use, or I'm going to comb it with something that I use. I don't ever comb it with a brush or a comb, so I'm going to do a brush, because that's how it's going to look when we
Here you go.
are done. Oh, I'm good, folks. Get it wet, because usually we'll use gel. So you'll be able to see the imperfections. Alright, let's see here. I need to get this right here. Alright, just about done. Look at yourself.
Cheese.
Say cheese. Feel like good? Yeah, good boy. Cheese. You know it's a video? Oh, the lovely world of calyx. Hey! Try to beat it up? Hey, you're beating it up? All right. We got the little cleanup. All right. Around the neck. And then we're going to be done, bud. Woo! You all done? Yes. All right. I'm done. Cheese. Yeah, get a nice little part going, boy. Or one thing that I failed to mention, whenever you're cutting someone's hair, or a man's, I guess, woman as well, they do that nowadays. Whenever you're cutting this and you want to blend it and just fade it up, see how you can see it's lighter to darker. It's because it's longer, and so it's darker. But anyways, you want to kind of bend your wrist and kind of twist it up so the clippers or the piece is going, well, we'll just show you, but going away, right? And you want to go in an upward motion as well. And maybe if you've got a haircut, you understand that already. But anyways, it's this in kind of a bend away. And then up, right? So it has a nice fade when it gets to the top of the longer hair and up. So very gradual. That's really it. It's just your head's this way. You want to just, that's that. Yeah, and always go with a longer piece if you're going to test it out, because you don't want to go bald. I mean, as far as shaving your hair off.